Experience the spiritual beauty of this heart-touching Urdu. Qawwali, in praise of Hazrat Muhammad, this soulful kalam expresses deep love for Medina, devotion to the Holy Prophet Saf, and the peace found in Islamic remembrance. You're emotional Urdu Qawwali. Spiritual Sufi poetry. Ya Medina, memories and peaceful vibes. Listen, share and subscribe for more beautiful naats, hamdan kawalis. Qawwali tajdar Medina, naat Islamic Qawwali, Muhammad Urdu Qawwali. Sufi kalam, heart touching Medina, new Qawwali.